Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a controller is not working in Mecha Break. So what I suggest to do here first is to, if there is a possibility, always use wired connection because it will be a more stable connection. But if there is not, good Bluetooth is good as well. Other thing that I suggest to do here, if you're using third-party softwares like DS4 Windows, Revast, or other, disable them all because Mecha Break is using easy anti-cheat, and easy anti-cheat do not allow any third-party controller or other programs to run while you play the game to avoid cheaters or something like that. So just disable all these apps if you're using some, and then look if the problem persists and if your controller is working or not. If your controller is not working, other thing that can be is other peripherals. So for example, if you're using steering wheels, VRs, if your second controller is connected, just disconnect everything and just leave with only one controller and look if the problem persists or not, because sometimes dual controllers or other peripherals can block your controller as well. And still, if this do not work, what I suggest you to do next is to look for the game, right click on it, go to properties, then go to install files and make sure, not install files controller, make sure disable Steam input is selected, then go to Steam icon here on the top left, go to settings, then new window will pop up, go to controller and test your controller inputs here, just begin the test and just look if your controller is working when you're pressing the buttons. Then what you need to do here, depending on what controller you're using, if you're using PlayStation, make sure this not enable is selected, and if you're using Xbox controller, make sure toggle off this button, then idle gamepad shutdown timeout, make sure it's on never, then go to desktop layout here, and on here just press edit and also disable Steam input, and then restart the game, maybe restart Steam, and your controller should be working. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.